Well, hopefully you guys have got your coffee and you got 10 minutes so we can just see what old G RAThbun's up to today. Well, I got the tools out today. Yeah, we're doing some welding, cutting, rebuilding, grinding, everything. Let me show you out here what we're doing. You see how that fence bows? If you don't got something on top of it? Well, what we got over here, this is the old thing I was using. That's just screwed together wood. Well, it's been on there, it's been wiggling for a couple years, and the screws are coming loose and all that. So we rebuilt one out of metal. That sucker's heavier than the metal one. Couldn't be taking that off. I think I'll put it on the trailer over there. That one? Remember that one? Okay. But here's what we built right here. Now I'm going to paint it up with some paint I had laying around. That's it. This will do the same thing, and this won't bend. Used my new welder on that. I love that Arc Captain welder. I do. Anyway, I'm going to paint that up, then I'll show you what it looks like. Well, green would not have been my favorite color, but it's what I had on the shelf. I got that to match the Jeep. It did not. So I'm using it up on here. It just keeps the rust off of it. Now if I wanted to, I'd go over with a coat of brown, black, something that would match. But I'm going to, that just pinches right over there. And that'll hold it straight and it won't bend. She is welded, not spot welded, but she is welded solid all the way across there. There, everything is solidly welded and spot welded on the inside. So I'll show you what that looks like just in a second. Well, there it is. Huh. I was able to reuse that right there. And naturally I got it crooked, I see. Well, I think that metal might have been crooked I was using, because that looks straight with the top and crooked with the bottom. But like I always do, I use scrap. Let's go on the other side and show you how this looks. There you go. Now see, that sandwiches both gates together so they can't flop. Even though I got it pinned down there, she still does. So we got that on there. That's a handle. Grab that, lift that up, and then I can open up the gates. Real simple. Well, this video ain't very long, so I'm going to show you something else we got accomplished today. Well, this is a solar system. If you haven't seen it, you can pull a video up on one of my links here. Just check out all my videos, put in solar, you'll find it. What we've done is, I noticed the sun is, I had these flat, okay? And the sun is not flat, it don't go flat. So I tilted it up as far as I dare, 2.5 inches right there, and that is oak, walnut. I think that's walnut, a piece of walnut I had. And we did it on both of them, so they're both on the same angle. And I think that'll help us a little bit. They're supposed to be, everything I have is crooked. Look at that, my light's crooked. Anyway, I think that'll help too. And that's the end of this video right here. Hope you have a great day. Subscribe and, check out my videos, I guess. Have a great day, everybody. I got something planned for that today too. If you made it this far, you must have liked that video. I have a lot of videos on here. Over 2,100 videos and about 1,000 or more shorts. But you can also go on Patreon for only $3 a month and get all these videos way earlier, and a lot of videos that are not even on here. So subscribe to this channel and check out my Patreon.